Hello friends, and in this video I will show you how you need to register your copy of I.D.M.A.S. All you need to do is you open the downloaded file. Once you open the downloaded file, since this file is opening for the first time on your system, you will get couple of messages. The first one is please enable. Click on enable editing. Once you click on enable editing, it will ask you to run the macros. So click on enable content. Once you click on that, you get the first welcome message, and it says welcome to I.D.M.A.S registration. If you are new, then complete the registration form, or else click map database if you want to map your existing database. Now we will talk about this later on, but assuming that you are a new user and you do not have I.D.M.A.S yet, just click on OK. Once you click on OK, since we are going to configure, we will be filling up all the other information. We won't be clicking on map database. So office name. For now, what I would do is I will just put a dummy office name. So say office 1. The address of this office 1 address. Then I will just put in some more content, say for example Thane, Maharashtra, India, and so on. Okay, not a big deal, but just make sure you have your office address properly put in over there. Let me put a zip code of Thane as well, 401107. Select data folder. Now since let me just make it simple, what I will do is I will try to create the data in this folder itself. So let me just copy this URL. I'll copy this URL, put it over here, hit enter. It is at that same location. So I can do it this way, or the other way is you just browse from this location and select the location where you would want to have this file stored. This is a very important file, so everything that you do in I.D.M.A.S will get recorded over there. In case if you plan to use this file with multiple users, what you can do is you can select the network location where everyone has access to and save that file at that network location. So for now, assuming that this is on my system, I just select it like this and click on OK. This is the location where the file is getting stored. Enter your name. So my name is, say for example, I've just put a dummy name right now, name 1. My username, it is asking me for a username. So what I would do is I would try to put in a username which I will remember. So name 1, I will just put in name 1, the same thing. You put in whatever you would wish to. Password 1111 as my password. Again, the password I need to type in 1111. Once I do this, I fill up all the information here. I just click on register. Once I click on register, the I.D.M.A.S will try to create, it will create a file, it will create a database on your system on the location where you have stored, and then all you need to do is just click on OK. It says congratulations, your database is now created. Please log in with your username and password. Now it is asking for the username and password. You need to put in the same information that you put over here. Type in name 1, and the password is 1111. Hit enter or click on sign in. So congratulations, you have logged into I.D.M.A.S and you have already registered your company with I.D.M.A.S. So whatever information you filled in, you see office 1 was the name of the office you selected. This is the address of your office, and this is the username with which you logged in. In the next video, we will go through each and every option that you see on this screen.